Hey folks. Hey folks, this is Dave Castine with Vintage Cars Online. We're on location at a client's beautiful garage to look at his beautiful Ford. I believe it's a 1929 Woody. He's not here to give me the details, but he's on his way. What a beautiful, beautiful car. Completely restored. Runs and drives as it should. Been converted to 12 volts. My pictures will show you a alternator under the hood. Everything else looks factory. Fomoco. Beautiful, beautiful piece. This should be a cool runabout for all you vineyarders, folks on Nantucket. Anybody on Montauk? This thing is absolutely breathtaking. Again, runs and drives great. Beautifully restored. Period. Correct. Everything looks to be as it should. The chrome is very presentable. All the stainless. Stunning color combination. Looks to be a kind of a mocha with a yellow rim and wide white walls, and the wood is perfect. Visor and the top are amazing. All the vinyl in the seats are great. No windows, so this is obviously a seasonal car or something that belongs down in the tropics. Imagine picking your friends up at the boat dock in this thing and cruising over to your house. I can dig that. Anyway, this is Dave, and this is our 1929 Ford Woody. Thanks, folks.